Hey, look, pal. Ooh, look at him go.
Hey, hey guys, this is
Mr.
Mr. Tractor 10. I wanted to ride around the yard video on my tractor, but Craftsman lawn tractor. But this time I wanted to do something a little different. I got this spot. I wanted to do a video on my fire.
Forest in every direction. There are no people out here, no horses.
I got this
These snakes can't get into any trouble out here. Look, you got a nice home, awesome area for you. Anyway, I'm getting out of here. You guys are creeping me out. Y'all got a new home. I got to get back to mine.
And
bye.
I gave my old one to my cousin Chris and his dad and his family.
I'm prepared for war.
It's made by Simplex.
Well, crafty critters with razor sharp teeth. They could take your finger off.
I can't hang it up for a while, but when I get my PlayStation, I'm gonna set it off tonight. But you have to set it off by wire. And when you let me teach you something. If you see a fire alarm installed like this, you should never go and pull it, because you can get big trouble. And in some states, you can even get arrested. So this one has
Billy, I was wondering if you could go over to Mark Smith, my neighbor.
Yeah, what's going on over there?
A louder speaker than any of my other ones.
It's terrible. It's tearing
Like the
up
one
the shoreline there.
I hung one up.
Adam, his son,
But I forgot that I need the PlayStation because I want to set it off.
Wow.
But
yeah, all right. I'm gonna head over there and take a look at it and see what I can figure out for him.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Is extremely loud.
My mom's got a neighbor down the
horn's
street,
louder
Mark
than
Smith.
anything
They actually
else.
share a cove together on the lake. And
It
Mark's
has
got a nutria, which are these big, semi-aquatic, rodent-looking things. People say they look like giant rats. Anyway, they're absolutely tearing this property apart.
It has a 15 volume speaker with AKA strobe.
These nutria are not native
I call
to America. We brought them in
bubble
1938, starting with 20 of them, for their fur and to check to see if it was a meat
So
that
when
would
I
be
get
sold to the masses.
so when I get my
PlayStation
and my
over 100 million of them
alarm
in North
system,
America, and they are becoming a problem like nobody has ever
I'll
seen.
hang her up. Okay, now let's set this off. Michael, do you mind if I set the fire alarm off?
Hey, Mark, how you doing?
Good to see you. I'm Mark Smith, here today to show Billy where the nutrients are damaging our property.
Well, Mom just called me and told me you were having an interesting problem.
Yeah, the nutria are back.
All right, well, I'll check on that. Mark's been battling several nutria for almost 8 years now, and every time he thinks he has them licked, they turn up again. I hope this time we lick them for good.
Billy, I tell you, it's just gotten worse and worse. Right here.
Wow.
I was like walking along here and all of a sudden squaring it. Boom. And watch this. Watch how far this goes. There's not a snake in there.
Nutrias dig these big basketball-sized holes where they make their dens and have their babies. Trees cave in, people lose a lot of property quick.
That's it for today.
God, Mark, you stepped right through their den, and we're what, 20 feet from the
water?
That's it
for tonight.
Oh my God.
And
Mark's property is just riddled with holes. It looks like a war zone out here. Someone can easily fall and hurt themselves. Not to mention
never
go
in any stores if you see a fire alarm and never pull the fire alarm.
That used to be the shoreline right there.
That's all I have to say.
Not only is it underwater, he ain't getting that land back.
So,
it's gone. This is perfect. Nutrias love the waterfront.
Maybe I'll do a video tomorrow.
Nutrias can breed 2 times a year, having